Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down compatibility and safety. Check your laptop model, note whether it uses 2, 5, or M, 2 NVMe versus M, 2 SATA, and order the correct SSD. Once done, make a full backup or create a disk image and prepare a bootable cloning USB or external adapter to connect the new drive. Make sure to gather a Phillips screwdriver and anti-static strap, then shut down and unplug the laptop. Removing the battery first is wise on removable battery models before you open the chassis. You'll open the back panel and expose the drive bay or M2 slot using short controlled turns to avoid stripping screws. Once exposed, either connect the new SSD to your laptop with a USB adapter and run your cloning tool, or if installing directly, insert the M2 at about a 30 degrees angle and push down to secure with the standoff screw. After cloning, verify partition alignment and that the target size and boot partition copied correctly before removing the old drive. You finish by reinstalling the laptop cover, reconnecting power, and entering BIOS or UEFI to set the new SSD as the primary boot device. Then boot to confirm the OS loads. Make sure trim is enabled, update the SSD firmware, and run a quick performance or health check before restoring any remaining files. If things go wrong, here's one key tip. If the system won't boot, immediately power down and reset the drive and cables. Then confirm BIOS drive mode. Switch between OSI and RAID only if appropriate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.